Open assembly, file new assembly. We need to insert body. The body is fixed, so nothing needs to be moved. So next step, we need to insert screw and also screw nut. We select a mate, then we choose concentricity body with the screw nut. Then we need to choose screw concentricity with the body. It should go like this. Then we need to insert 2 grippers and 2 washers. Then we need to insert nut for pin. So then we need to choose 2 bolts, bolt pin and 2 nuts. Set up pairing. Washers align with nut and washers align with bolt. Set concentricity. Fasteners assembled. Again, we set concentricity, but since it is wrong, you need to change the position to the other side. So again, we need to connect grippers or legs, if we can say like this, with the body and trim for beauty. Now we can insert the pins. Align the bolt pin, there should be no gaps. Insert the handle and caps. Pairing, choose the ringlet, change position, duplicate to another cup, and insert into the handle. We open the plane on the top of the screw. choose 177 and 13. Because the distance from this point to the end we have 190, but the diameter is 26, so you need to have a little space to move well. We will deal with the bottom. Insert the pin. So we need to insert the pin, also thrust ball bearing. Then we need to insert supporting member. And also connecting member. Expose pairing, catching concentricity. Install the pin. Tangency. Put the bearing back to back. Again, concentricity. And the last part. Sewer clip in a diameter suitable under the support. Concentricity. There is a special slot inside. Select for control and post. So as you can see, everything works.